Okay guys, so let's go naman tayo dito sa Denver versus Clippers. So home court ng Denver yan. So let's go. Standings muna tayo. Clippers 18-12, Nuggets 13-14. So the advantage in win on the standings is Clippers. So Clippers yung mga advantage. So spread Clippers plus 6.5, Denver minus 6.5, over under 229. Health and availability injuries. Los Angeles Clippers injured or suspended. James Harden groin, Terrence Mann finger, PJ Tucker not injury related, so personal. Kawhi Leonard knee, Mo Bamba knee, Derrick Jones Jr. hamstring, Kobe Brown back, Amir Coffey shoulder. So ang dami ng injury pero hindi naman sure na hindi lalaro. So let's go to the Denver naman, injury or suspended. Vlatko Kankar knee, Jamal Murray hamstring, Dario Saric ankle. So for the injury and availability, so I give the Denver the edge here. So mas konti yung player nila na may injury na iniinda. So ayan, medyo mas lamang sila dito sa health and availability for the momentum, pero Clippers talaga sa momentum eh. Natalo lang sila dun sa Minnesota, sobrang blowout. Helpful facts against the spread. The Los Angeles Clippers point per game is 106.8, while Denver Nuggets point allowed is 112.3. Los Angeles Clippers has 10-1 record against the spread and a 8-3 record overall when allowing fewer than 113.8 points. So kailangan low scoring. The Los Angeles Clippers score an average of 106.8 points per game, 5.5 fewer point than that 112.3 the Denver Nuggets allowed to opponents. When it score more than 112 points, Los Angeles Clippers is 3-4 against the spread and 1-6 overall. So, kailangan low scoring talaga para makuha ng Clippers yung spread. So, dito naman tayo sa Denver Nuggets. The Denver Nuggets point per game is 113.8, while the Los Angeles Clippers points allowed per game is 102.8. So, talagang defensive yung Clippers. Denver Nuggets score only 11 more point per game than the Los Angeles Clippers allowed. Denver Nuggets is 9-14 against the spread and 13-10 overall when scoring more than 102.8 points. Denver Nuggets record is 3-3 against the spread and 3-3 overall when it gives up fewer than 106.8 points. So, dito final pick natin. So, based dito sa mga nasabi natin sa spread and the injury report, so napakarami ng injured na players. So, lalo na kung hindi lalaro si Harden, mahirapan talaga yung Clippers. So, Minnesota to. Sorry, hindi ko na-edit. Hindi ko na-edit yung final pick. So, Denver tayo dito. Denver minus spread 6.5. 6.5 pa ba? Tapos over under. Parang ayoko tumaya sa over under, so wala tayong over under. Pero for me under to. Under 220 to ilan? 229. So under 229. So for me Denver minus 6.5 kasi napakaraming wala sa Clippers. Mahirapan sila lalo na pag wala si James Harden. Tapos under 229. So Denver minus 6.5 under 229. So that's my say about this game. So sana manalo tayo tomorrow. Thank you and good luck.